In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create whiteboard animation with Canva AI. So start by heading over to canva.com and press create. Now here, select your size or Canva layout. Then in this blank presentation, you can start adding elements. So in the left panel, click on elements and look for graphics that look like it is drawn by a whiteboard marker. Add as much graphics and text that you would like to animate. Then next is download it as a PNG file. So at the top right, press share, then download as PNG. Now once done, in the left panel, go to apps. And here we're going to search for an app called Speed Paint. Then open the app. And here start uploading your image. Then next is do all the necessary modifications such as overall smoothness and sketch duration. You can also change color fill duration and now choose the hand style that you want. You can also change the sketch type. You can also add a background and background color if you want. You can also change drawing order and sketch noise reduction. And once done, click on Animate Image. And once done, you'll get a beautiful whiteboard animation like this. Thank you for watching this video. Also, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description. Bye!